We're standing on top of the cliffs of ARBEL in Galilee with one of the most beautiful panoramic views in Israel. If you look straight toward the sun to the west, just below it and slightly to the right, you see two small uneven hills called the Horns of Hattin. That was the location at which Salah ad-Din, the Muslim leader, defeated the Crusader army in 1187 AD. Moving closer and looking over the cliff's edge, you begin to see the fertile plain of Gennesaret stretched out to the northwest, where the Sermon on the Plain in Luke 6 took place. Along the northwest shore of the Blue Sea of Galilee are the towns of Magdala, Tiberias, Capernaum, and Chorazin. Just to the west of that same shore, we can barely see the Mount of the Beatitudes and the location of the Sermon on the Mount. Then to the right, the Jordan River enters the north part of the sea, and just beyond that is ancient Bethsaida and Gamla. As you look across to the eastern shore of the sea, Kursi and the Golan Heights are visible in the distance. In Jesus' time, this was the area of the Decapolis, the place of the exorcism of the demon-possessed man in Luke 8, and the feeding of the 4,000 in Matthew 15. And on to the right, we see more of the plateau of the cliffs. It's likely that Jesus and the apostles came to this spot during the Galilean ministry. It's even one of the possible locations where Jesus could have met with them after his resurrection on the mountain in Galilee, perhaps even the place of the Great Commission.